Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design Learning Weldments in the Solidworks. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the weldment for making this kind of complex structure of chassis, right? It can be used in many structural complex geometries. So I will give you the example how to implement that into this one. Okay, so let's get started from the beginning. So I'm going to the part profile. Now, in the part profile, whenever you are using weldments, you have to create the profiles, right? Just like I'm giving you just an example. Let's say, yeah, in this one, if you want to create this structure as a solid pipes, right? So what you have to do, you will just go to the sweep command and drawing profile to the perpendicular plane to the sketch, right? That is not the appropriate way and fast way. So for that, we are going to use weldments. In the weldments, you can use the structural members which already exist in the our standard. So you can just select any of that. Let's say I'm going to select the pipe standard 14 and you can select the size. So if you select the size, it will create automatically these pipe sections, right? And if I select this one, okay, you have to create a new group. Also, you can customize your corner joints as well. This feature you will not get in the sweep command. So that's why we are using the weldments. Now, if you want to create your custom profiles just like that, so how can you do this? Okay, so I'm going to teach you first that. Now what I will do, I'll just go through the, okay, don't save. Yeah, I will select one is plane and I will sketch on it. So let's say I'm going to create a profile which is having an outer dia of 25.4 mm and thickness will be 2 mm. Okay, I will exit the sketch. This is my profile, right? I want to implement that into that chassis, right? What should I do? I will select the sketch and I will save this as a sketch profile. Now go to the trash and I will select the weldment trial. Right, in the weldment trial, I will create the FSAE. You have to create 3 folders, right? And pipe section. Okay, and where there you have to select the SLD FLP file. Okay, you have to find that file which is only for the library feature part, right? SLD FLP. And you can rename this as a 25.4 into 2 and save. Okay, so okay, the name it is given 25.4 mm. Okay, it is saved now. Now to locate that folder, what should you have to do? I will go to the settings, okay, and go to the file location. In the file location, show folders for the weldment profile, search for the weldment profiles. Okay, weldment profiles, and you have to add your folder over here, right? That trash, in the trash folder, weldment trial will be there. Select folder and press OK. Would you like to make the following changes? Yes, obviously. Yes. So it will ask a permission. Okay, done. So permission granted. Now I will close this. Now let's see if my profile is there or not. Right. Yes, it is there. So as you can see, FSA is there and type pipe section. And what is the size? It will be 25.4 mm. Now if you select, it will create a profile, okay, throughout this path which I have created in the sketch. So just like that you can apply, and if it is co-planar, it will be in a one group. So try to select maximum pipes in one group only, okay? Because it will be easier to do the corner treatment for that, right? I think it will be not, yes. So maximum you have to select, right? New group, and I will do the new group of this one. Okay, this will be not applicable. So what you have to do, you just go to this one, and I'm not going to do the whole structure because it will take a lot of time. I'm just giving you an idea how to do it. Now, if you want your structure, this corner as a different cut section, right? So what you can do, you just click on the corner and there will be trim order 1 and 2. In trim order 1, there will be 2 pipe section will be edited, and trim order 2, there will be this section will be edited, right? So you can just go to 1 or 2 for the different option. Available options are there. In 1, you have this option like this and like this. Whatever based for manufacturing, you have to select that, okay, accordingly. Now if you go to that level, yeah, so you have to trim this. You have to, if you want to customize again, you can just go to the edit feature and you can, yeah, trim order 2, this will be 1, okay, and okay, click okay. Now as you can see, this is the perfect corner I made. So this is how you can do your corner joints perfectly, right? It will not take much time comparatively, right, using sweep command. And in the cut list, you have the options to select these pipes, right? And also you will have the solid model in that. If you want to add it there, you can just go to that, and you can save it as a separate folder as well. This pipe, if you want to share these separately, so you can do. In the future videos, we will see how you can make this pipe in manufacturing, how you can implement that, right? And yes, so this is all for the video, how to use Weldments, and in the future videos we will explain you the advanced commands of it, right? So till that time, thank you for watching, and keep sharing, keep learning.